Hi, this is Dansoy, aka Batman in the Kitchen. Taking this journey together as we learn new recipes. This is upload 2 for Wednesday. This is vegan cookies and cream smoothie. This is great for kids or for the summer or just to treat yourself. So we're going to use unsweetened almond milk, which is organic, and we're going to use these pops from GoodPop. They're cookies and cream, and they're vegan. These are what the bars look like. So we're going to use 2 bars, and we're going to use I already have it measured out. We're going to use 16 ounces of almond milk. You want to use unsweetened almond milk because you don't want to add more sugar to it, and you want to keep it like close to cookies and cream as much as possible. So we're going to get started with this, and thanks for visiting my channel. Please subscribe and hit the bell for 2 to 5 updates a week. Alright, so we're going to take that almond milk. Like I said, I have 16 ounces already measured out. This is my handy measuring bottle. Whatever works for you. But also, this is also a food review for GoodPop. They make a lot of different varieties. This is the cookies and cream, 110 calories. And it's a really good product. I just noticed it recently. So it's called GoodPop, and they make watermelon and orange creamsicle, but it's pretty good. Now we're going to take these bars and we're going to pull them off the sticks and throw them in there, and then we'll be done. All right, so like I said, you could take this, and you're going to want to start throwing this like just strip the bar off the wooden stick. So you want to do that to the next one, and then we'll blend it together and you'll have your vegan cookies and cream. And it's great for kids, like I said, the kids zone. All right, so we got the second bar, and just easily push that off. So you can see that in the blender, and like I said, it's definitely in there. So you're going to want to take your top, put that on there, and we're just going to blend it. But this is definitely going to make a great cookies and cream smoothie, and it's vegan. Alright, so we got that together. We're going to hit the smoothie. You can see it doesn't take long to do this. Actually, you could probably, if you're not filming this, you could probably do this in like 2 minutes or less. Alright, so you can see the different levels in there. You can see almond milk and cookies and cream. So it's great when you do these smoothies, and you can see layers. So look how creamy and frothy that is. So we're just gonna put it in the mason jar and straw it like we normally do, and this is great for the kids or just for yourself. Alright, so we got the top of that blender off, and let's try to do this without spilling it. Alright, so we got that. We just have to put the straw in there, and there's your vegan cookies and cream. Alright, so we're done. That's the vegan cookies and cream. Tastes good. So that's really healthy, and it's vegan, and it's another idea. So with food, it's up to your imagination. You can take different things and add stuff to them and do different combos. It's all up to the imagination and creativity. So thanks for visiting my channel, The Food Zone, aka Batman Dansoy. I will see you throughout the week. Hit the bell for updates, and please subscribe. Dansoy, aka Batman. See you soon. Mwah.